Welcome to the future. About to blast off, yeah, you can call me super. Man, I'm an icon, he loves too. Clips in the game like my middle name the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Let's get it poppin', don't light it up, baby. This is what I do. What was written in the stars, now I'm all over the news. It's about to go down, and you know I never lose. That's the truth.
It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. Can't stop me now. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. Everything's about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
Hi, mahal! Good morning! Ito na yung araw na pinakaantay natin. May 17, wedding day. Mamaya, masasaksihan ng family natin and ng friends natin yung pag-ibigan nating dalawa. Ngayon pa lang, thank you na for choosing me and for loving me unconditionally. Thank you! Welcome!
Mahal, good luck sa atin mamaya sa wedding. Ito na yung pinahihintay mo. Tandaan mo lagi mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Kaya ang Ali and Angelica, palagi nating gugunutain ang araw ng inyong pagiging iisa. Huwag na huwag nating kakalimutan ang araw na ito dahil ang araw na ito ay pinagkaloob sa inyo. Hindi lamang yung birthday ninyo ang inyong gugunitain taon-taon, kung hindi ang inyong pagiging iisa din.
Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ikaw aking musika.
Una sa lahat, salamat sa Diyos Ama sa araw na ito. Mahal, ngayong araw, ang umpisa ng habang buhay nakasama ka. Yung dating napag-uusapan lang nakasal, ngayon natupad na.
Kung dumating ang
Mahal, as we stand here on our wedding day, my heart is overflowing with love for you. Since the moment you came into my life, you have been a source of love and joy. You are kind, thoughtful, and you have the sweetest heart.
kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung una kang nakita.
Promise ko sa'yo, mamahalin kita habang buhay. Kasamahan kita sa lahat ng subok at sa mga pangarap mo. Mahal, I love you.
Lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man
I vow to love you with all my heart, to cherish and respect you, and to be your partner through every adventure and challenge that comes our way. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you.
Ay hindi na kayang gumawa ng melody.
Thank you, mahal, dahil tinanggap mo ako at minahal mo rin ako gaya ng pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Salamat dahil kasama ako sa mga pangarap mo. At higit sa lahat, salamat dahil ikaw ang asawa ko.
Minsan sa'yo'y namanghal. Kung oras ay nagbabalik lang sana, ay babalik nung unang kang nakita. At aking
I promise to be your partner and faithful wife. To give you my life, my love, and myself, fully and completely.
mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ikaw aking
Mahal, magkalayo man tayo lagi mong tatandaan yung sinasabi ko, kahit anong mangyari, kumapit ka lang. Sabay nating haharapin bawat pagsubok at unos na dumating sa ating buhay. O siya, hindi ko napapahabahin. Alam mo na yan. Mahal kita. Love you.
ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man
I promise to always cherish you until my last breath. I love you forever.